Hi everyone, I am Beatriz from Focus Movement and welcome to the 12 days of Christmas. So today we're going to do some exercises using the roller, focus on core and spinal mobility. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so we're going to start first with keeping the roller across the mat the way that it is now, and I just need you to turn with your back facing the roller, and you're gonna lie down. So you're gonna keep the roller on shoulder blade area, quite like a little below at the bottom of your shoulder blades. You're gonna interlace your fingers behind your head. All right. So we can start first with the elbows a little closer to the head. So what we want for now is to mobilize a little bit the spinal thoracic into extension. So you're going to inhale and you're going to lower your head and just feel a nice opening. We maintain the elbows close to the head for now, and then we exhale and come back. So what is important that the focus will be the thoracic mobility. So let's make sure that the pelvis stays stable, so there's no extra movement happening on your body. So it's just the thoracic extension. And if you feel more confident, right, so you're gonna start to feel that you can go a little lower. So the lower you go, the more you feel. So to increase that feeling of opening, we can also add the elbows, start to open, separating elbows from the head open. Is a nice stretch on your chest, on your pecs area. And you're gonna feel the chest, you're gonna feel the shoulders opening, a very good feeling. And it's great for posture, especially if you stay for long hours seated. And let's do just two more. So this also works as a little warm-up, because then we're gonna do some abdominal, more focused exercise. All right, so you're gonna keep it, the upper body on that position, the spine in flexion. All right, so now, as I said, we're gonna focus a little bit more on abs. So we keep the upper body in flexion, so it's already slightly high. The lower back can be slightly in flexion, but make sure you're not pressing too hard against the floor. We don't need that, just a slightly flexion, abs in. So what we're gonna do, keep the elbows again a little closer to the head. You're gonna lift one leg up and you're gonna rotate to that knee. And then as you rotate, you're gonna extend the leg. Then you can go back to extension, but this time not too much, okay? Because we want a little bit more flowy movement. And then I say rotate. And you rotate to one side, so you feel more of the pressure, of the roller pressure on your body, right, on one side, because you're adding rotation. All right, let's just do two more. One more time. All right, so we're gonna do the same on the other side. We lift, and I'm gonna repeat. We rotate first. So we memorize what to do, and then we extend the leg, we lower, and then if you feel that the roller starts to move a little bit, adjust, don't keep doing. So it's important to keep the roller in place. So it's at the same time you're doing your some abdominal work, you also kind of massage on your back. And how cool is that, right? So we all like that. Let's just do two more. And I'm gonna do one more. And then lower. Okay, so the last challenge for this sequence, we're gonna lift one leg and then the other. We hold it. So it's very important on that position. If you start to lose the strength, you're gonna start to extend the lower back, and we don't want that. So bring your knees a little closer if you need. All right, so other option is to move the roller a little bit more closer to neck, not on your neck. All right, so maybe it'll be better. support. So for me, it's okay, so I can keep it here. I just need to bring my knees a little closer. Keep pulling the belly in, right? And maintain that little tuck on your lower back. And now we're gonna just alternate. So no rotation for now, we just focus on the legs and on your abs, on your lower abs, and on the position of your hip. That's very important. So we just alternate. Keeping the upper body high, also very important. If you feel that hands behind the head start to get a little like uncomfortable for you, too long, you can just lower your arms. Keep it here. But remember, you're looking to your feet, you're not looking up. Right? We don't want any extra stress on the neck. So we continue alternating. And then when you're ready, why not? We can add a little bit more. We'll be both flexed together. And we're gonna bend and extend. In the middle, definitely way harder this one. An extra attention to the pelvis. If you feel that it's too high, you cannot do it both, you cannot control the hip, keep alternating legs, but you're still working. And reach. And let's do 3 more like this for 3. In, exhale for 2. In, and exhale for 1. And then you're gonna go 1 leg at a time, and then give yourself a nice stretch. That will feel good. Separate elbows and hold. Alright, so we're gonna turn. I'm gonna change a little bit the position. The roller will stay across the mat. So what we're gonna do now is, again, we're gonna start with a little bit of spine mobility, and then we're gonna do more focus on the core. So we're gonna start with our cat stretch. I'm gonna keep it here with the hands on the roller and the spine rounded. Alright, so ready into flexion. Alright, so what you're gonna do is inhale, and you're gonna start to move the roller away from the body. Sliding the arms, the forearms on the roller, sending the chest down. You can go into a slightly extension again. And then to come back, let's use those abs. You're gonna pull the belly up, tailbone down. So you're using your abs to return, not much the arms. And then you're gonna do it again. Inhale. Extend. And then exhale, you're gonna pull the belly up, tailbone down, and start to bring the roller back. If you really focus on the abs on the way back, you're gonna feel a lot of work too. So it's not only mobility goals, alright? Remember. Alright, so here, extend. When we extend, you don't drop things, right? It's to maintain your abs connected, and then you're gonna roll back. Now let's do 2 more. And 1 more time. We're gonna continue that, but we're gonna add something that I really like. So I really like to mix the spine movement, mobility. We're gonna do a little bit of rotation. So we're gonna grab the arm, 1 hand, and across, and then we're gonna rotate. I'm gonna do just 2 of this, and then we're gonna repeat on the other side. So it's this. And basically the same thing, but when you move the roller away, you're gonna add a little rotation, so your shoulder will be down to the floor. So you're gonna increase the stretch in one side only. So if you're rotating to the right, you're feeling more stretch on the left. And then let's do on the other side. So hand, cross, and then slide again. Keep those arms full straight to make it easier for the movement to happen. Otherwise, you're going to start to use too much of your arms. We don't want that. And do just 1 more time. And then back. And place the hands again. Alright, so we're going to continue facing the roller, and we're going to do some planks. Now, we're going to move the roller a bit further from the body, and you're going to place the forearms on top. And we're going to start first with the knees down. Pull that shoulders back and down, tuck and hold. Just stand up position. You're immediately going to start to feel your abs working. So, of course, when you start to feel that it's too much, avoid lifting the hip. Just hold a little bit. It's better to rest and then give it a try again. So you try again, a few more seconds, and then stop. Okay, better than lifting the hip, because then you're gonna stop feeling the abs as much. And the purpose is to feel the abs. All right? Okay, so now from here, we're gonna increase the challenge, taking the knees off. We take the knees off and we hold it. Keep the plank there. A few more seconds. And then just to finish, we can start to alternate, taking one foot off. Keeping the body still. Do it with your forearms on the roller. Increase the tension a lot, right? Because you have less support. Let's just do one more for each side. One more. And then down. And I'm gonna stretch back. That feels good. All right. So now, just to finish, we're gonna do a little bit of spine mobility. Focus on the obliques, lateral flexion. Just making the legs the way that it is now. One leg in front and one to the side. Externally rotated, internally rotated. You want to maintain the hip heavy and the hand will be on the roller. Just resting on the roller. You're going to inhale and then as you exhale, you're going to move the roller and you flex the spine. And then inhale, come back. And again. We're not going to be doing too slow. You want to let the muscles, the body to move without stopping much, keeping the active. And then we continue. Two more. And then the last one. One, we place the hand on the mat and we're gonna flex to the other side. And now we're gonna do on the other side, just moving the roller. And I'm changing the legs. Heavy, hand on the roller, open chest in, and then exhale, reflex. And then back in. And again, reflex. In. Without adding too much weight on the roller, you're using your spine. That's why you're mobilizing the spine. Also using muscles. Right? So you're using those muscles. You're not like resting. Still working. And we're going to do just one more time. And then come back. And we're going to finish flexing to the other side. Give a little stretch. Feels good. Alright. Alright guys. That's all for today. I hope you like it and see you at the studio. Bye bye and Merry Christmas.